And how do I set up alerts on the Trellis Law Alerts dashboard? First, to access, click on Alerts in the top left-hand side of the screen for your name and then Alerts. This will take you to your personalized Trellis Law Alerts dashboard. Once we're here on the dashboard, we can hit Create Alert, and there are 3 types of alerts we can set up. We can set up a case tracker for updates on a specific case. We can set up a client alert for new filings involving the client, or a topic alert for new filings based on any search criteria. Let's get into it. For Case Tracker, for updates on a specific case, we will be updated each time there's a new filing or update on a specific case or track. For this, we'll need to know the case number, the state, and the county that we'd like to be alerted by. This is a case in Los Angeles for an example. So I put all my search criteria in, hit Find Case. Trellis located the docket I'd like to be updated on. I hit Select Case. Now I can give the alert a label. If it's for a particular attorney, maybe I use their name. I can group it under a specific client matter label. I can add additional recipients and choose to exclude myself from the alert. Pretty straightforward. Let's talk about the client alert. This will email you each time there is a newly filed case in the jurisdictions you select involving a particular company. So for example, if I want to track newly filed cases involving Uber, I use their client name. I select the jurisdiction that I'd like to search, and additionally, I can give it a name, a label, and then group it under the client matter number, add additional recipients, choose to exclude myself. Now this is a little different. I can filter this alert by practice area. So if I wanted to be emailed each time there was only labor and employment newly filed cases involving Uber, I can check that box, and I can get even granular with it, and I can pick the specific matter type. So now I'll be emailed for newly filed cases involving Uber in these state jurisdictions that I've selected, all 46 that Trellis covers, in this practice area of labor and employment and wrongful termination. That is a client alert. Let's get into the last one. This is what is called the topic alert. This one will email you based on any search criteria. For this, I'm going to use some different examples to give you this really broad idea of how this works. It is a topic alert. What do I mean by that? These function the same way Smart Search does. That means I can set up alerts with a cause of action, a legal issue, other facts relevant to a case I'm researching, case law or statutes and rules citation, or names of parties, attorneys, firms, experts, arbitrators, mediators. You get the idea. And these types of alerts can also be filtered by practice area and matter type, like the client alerts. Look at a couple that I have set up. This one, for example, is going to email me each time there is a new lemon law case filed involving the firm Quill and Arrow. Or this one here will email me each time there's a new case filed in the state of California, citing to the Video Privacy Protection Act or the California Invasion of Privacy Act. This is a company litigation search I've set up with multiple names of companies that I'm tracking. So you can get the idea that the sky is the limit with these alerts. What did we talk about today? 3 different kinds of alerts. We talked about a case tracker. This will email you each time there is a new filing in a case you're tracking. We talked about a client alert. This will email you each time there is newly filed cases involving companies or clients you'd like to track, filterable by practice area and matter type. And we talked about topic alerts, which is an alert based on a search criteria, also filterable by practice area and matter type.